Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be all about my perfume collection. So I'll be sharing with you all a link that goes to a website that lists all of my perfumes that I currently own. It also has a separate list of perfumes that I've previously owned, and I've created a list for all my sample sizes as well. So I class a perfume as a perfume that I own when the size of perfume I have is a decent sized rollerball or travel size perfume. So say around 8 to 10 mils or bigger. Anything that's in these types of vials here, I consider to be a sample. You can't use it extensively, maybe 3, 4, possibly 5 times if you're quite light with spraying it, but you can't use it over and over again. So I've created a separate list for all of my sample sizes. But I wanted to, before I share the link and give you the details, have a little bit of a game with you, make it a little bit more interactive, as much as it can be, I guess. So I'm going to give you 3 options, and I would love it if you wanted to play along and leave a comment below now to tell me which of the 3 you think is accurate. So the question I'm putting for you all now is, how many perfumes do you think that I currently have in my collection? Now the options are less than 150, between 150 and 250, or more than 250 perfumes. So I'll let you pause the video now if you're wanting to play along, leave a comment below and put down your guesses, either 150 or less, between 150 or 250, or more than 250. So pause here and leave your guess. Okay. So for those of you who have placed your guesses, I'm going to share with you the number of perfumes that I currently own. So the total number of perfumes that I own is just over 330 perfumes. So that doesn't include backups that I have of a few of the scents that I really love. That's just individual scents that I currently have. Sample sizes, I have another list for that, and I currently have 249 sample sized scents. So some of those do overlap with the ones that I currently own in full sizes. But so I guess if you average it out, I may have close to 500 different fragrances, either in a full size or a travel size or a sample size. And that's a lot, but there's still so many that I want to try, haven't tried yet, that I have tried and really like, but just haven't purchased yet. So yeah, it's a lot. I really do enjoy fragrances. I do need to see if I can add some of my Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab oils, because that doesn't include my bee pearl oils, because I haven't been able to find them on this website. So the website that I use to keep track is Fragrantica. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of this website before. I'll leave a link in the description below, and if I can, in a pinned comment from myself, just to show the link to my perfume wardrobe on the website. The reason why I wanted to create this is also for me to keep track of what I have. There's areas where I can make notes and comments about what I thought or things that I might want to try. It also is a wonderful resource if you found a perfume that you like that may be discontinued, and you can see if there's other things that are similar to that perfume and might be readily available for you to purchase. So I found the website to be really, really useful. And yeah, I wanted to create it so you could all see what I own and just make it as easy as possible for you to leave me requests for videos to review perfumes for. If you had any questions on any of the fragrances that I own, that way you can browse my entire perfume wardrobe whenever you want. And yeah, so I invite you all to have a look and let me know if there's any perfume that you see that you would like a review on. I've got perfumes that are discontinued. I have I have a lot of perfumes that have been discontinued. It just happens to be something that I unfortunately I like perfumes that get discontinued. But if you see something that you like or that you used to like and you're wanting comparisons to other scents in my perfume wardrobe, or if you notice I own a lot of the same type of scent and you're wanting comparisons between those in particular, please feel free to leave me a comment. Either come to this video and leave a comment below, comment on the community tab if I make a post, even contact me through Instagram if I make a post there. What I'll do is when this video is being released, I'll upload a story, I normally do, and also leave a post on my page on Instagram. So if you have any requests at any time, just contact me either here or on Instagram and let me know what they are. If you have a scent that you see that you've got a question about, I'm also more than happy for you to ask a question. Even if you don't want a full review video and there's just something that you're wanting to know, leave a question and I'll answer it for you as well. So I've got separate lists. When you go to the website, there's the main wardrobe, and then it will have a little icon that says 1, and it's a customized list, and that's where I keep my sample wardrobe list. That also goes through perfumes that I currently have samples for. So while I may not own a full-size bottle of everything, if there's something you see in my sample sizes and you'd like a review on those, please feel free to leave that request too. So I love looking through and seeing the different scents that people own when they're commenting and adding reviews to fragrances that I like. I'm interested to see if they also like similar things or own similar things to me. There's room there where you can put down your signature scent, and mine changes, but there's 1 or 2 that stand out and a few of my favourite scents, and it does change fairly frequently. But I've put down my current favourites, or some of them, up there as well. But I really like going through and seeing what other people have to say, what their impressions are, what they've thought about it. It's always so interesting to me that fragrance can be so personal and so different from person to person. And yeah, it's just something exciting about that as well, is that your scent may not smell the same on everybody, and everybody likes different things. And I think the more I've enjoyed perfumes and fragrances, the more variety I've come to enjoy and just like in general. You know, when I was younger, maybe it was more fruity florals, typical kind of things, but now there's so many like citrus and fresh and floral and fruity or amber, really woody or oody scents, a whole range of different things that I really do enjoy. And something that I've been thinking about and I just never really thought of doing is layering. The only perfumes I really ever layered was the Atelier Cologne fragrances in the more grapefruity scent and the orange scents. So those citrusy scents, I would mix them together. But I'd never really thought about mixing other perfumes together. So if you have any layering combinations that you would suggest to me to try, or that you would like me to try and tell you what I think, let me know what they are. But that is my perfume wardrobe link. I do hope that you enjoy just browsing through and seeing what I have. And yeah, leave any comments, recommendations, requests, anything like that in the comments down below. But I hope you're all having a fantastic morning, afternoon or evening, whatever it may be, wherever you are. and I'll see you all in my next video.